What's up, squad? Thank you for tuning in to another video. The last video we did my hood vent install in my old shop, and we're currently standing outside of my new shop I moved into about a week ago. Before we get started on today's video, we'll do a little walkthrough and like a little reveal. So super excited. There's so much more room for opportunities, so let's get right into it. So it's like we're like halfway in the process of moving everything in, and sort of cleaning up because we had to get all the stuff out of here and then move some stuff. So it's like a whole process. There we go. We got the filmer today. Yes, so it's kind of like a whole process of moving stuff and moving in stuff, and like it's just gonna take a little while. But pretty much everything is gone. We have a few more shelves that I'm probably gonna clean off, and then I might keep those there just for like storage and stuff. So we got the car in today. We'll be doing I found a $40 tool on Amazon we'll be using today to fix plastic pieces and like trim moldings. We'll get into that later. So we'll just take our walk around the shop real quick. People have been harassing me about getting this thing back up and running, so I kind of started tinkering with it, and the ultimate kill switch on it completely failed, so I'll have to replace that, and then we need to change that tire. I think this got wet and it just stopped working, so we're gonna get this project going soon. I got a bunch of stuff planned, so. But yeah, we just moved my desk and the toolbox and everything in here. It came out really nice. We've got a lot of room for opportunity, so I'm super excited. One day, hopefully, get a lift in here or something. So let's get today's video started. All right, so this is the magical $40 Amazon tool. They call them hot staples. So you just take the little metal things, and you put them in there and they get hot. It's perfect. It's literally the best thing ever. So here's one that I did on the cap. I kind of just did this to where I can know which one and just grab them quickly. But yeah, it just goes in just like that. So I think it's the C-pillar on my car, the Nissan 350Z. They're like $400 or something, like OEM quality, $400. And I fixed it with this tool, which is a lifesaver because both of mine are cracked, $800. I'm not about to spend that on that. So this is a saver. And you can fix anything like the little tabs on headlights, or you be creative with this and it'll save you a lot of money. So we'll go take off I don't know if it's the A or the B pillar on my car. We'll go take it off and I'll put it back over here. We'll get started. All right, so I did a little Googling so I don't sound like an idiot and everybody roast me in the comments. This is the A pillar, so remember that. All you need for this is a flathead and a Phillips. There's about probably 10 or 12 Phillips heads right here, and then this just comes off. This is one of those things, like, it's really sketchy and it just feels like you're gonna break everything, but you just gotta trust the system. Watch it crack now. Oh yeah. Alright, so that pulls off. Gotta finesse it a little bit. And then you just peel all this stuff back and you'll start exposing the screws. All the screws are under here that hold on the little metal clip. We'll start busting them out. And I've actually done this a few times. You can see that this one's white. I bought this one off of a part out car, but you can see right here that it's already cracked. I think it was cracked when I bought it and I didn't realize it because I bought it unseen. Someone picked it up for me. It's whatever. I fixed the other side already and you can still see a little bit of the crack, but I plan on getting the car painted in a few months. So I'll just get the body shop to Bondo it a little bit and you'll never know. So this is a lot better fix because when I Googled them, not even an OEM one without the gasket was like $360. So you don't want to spend that much. I'm gonna lose so many screws. You're definitely gonna want to make sure to get all the screws out, because if not, you're gonna crack some.
breeze feels nice.
Super nice.
All right, so all the screws are out. Just gonna lightly tug on it because there's snaps right here, and I think there might be one down here. So you kind of just get a nice firm. Straight like that. Is it on?
It is on.
So yeah, we got a nice little crack right there, and usually they start just to split all the way down. So if you can catch it beforehand, helps out a little bit. All right, so since it's like cracked on the edge right here, I'm gonna cut back this gasket because I put this on myself with some gasket I had, and then I'll just replace a little section of it. That way I can really get a good bite right there. Go take a little brake cleaner and clean the surface off. Alright, so like I was saying before, that comes like a good variety pack, like different little things. But the best one I feel for flat surfaces is these squiggly looking ones, because you have the most amount of like surface area. I think on my other A-pillar I put like 6 or 7 of them because it was literally cracked all the way from here all the way up. But I'm catching this one a little early, so hopefully it should stay together well. You can see this thing gets hot really quick. Is it smoking? Just fire.
We can get a good shot of it. So it basically just melts into the plastic.
Yeah, and then you just clip off the little things after. I'm gonna put a bunch, probably. They have a hairline crack right here. I'm just gonna put a bunch like this way. Dude, that's so satisfying.
Yeah, that shit's cool, dude.
Honestly, I wish some more stuff would break so I could fix it.
I think we can make that happen.
I'll take and put one of these little flat ones right on the edge right here just to keep that very, it's gonna make it very strong. I hear another turd box.
Sounds like a doofus. So what's the plans with the drift scene, bro?
All right, so August 26th we'll be traveling to August 26th I'll be traveling to Alabama. We're going to drive mid-pond, some of me and the friends from the New Orleans group. you've seen him in the videos before, Nick Blakeman and his 2J240. So it should be very fun. I'm definitely gonna bring the camera and stuff. We're leaving the 26th, which is on a Thursday. We're staying at this little cabin. We'll hang out at the cabin for a couple days, drive for 2 days, and then when I get home, I'm probably not gonna drive till December. They have one of the biggest events called EYB in New Orleans. In that time period, I'm hoping to get this car painted finally, so I'm really looking forward to that. So that's my plans for the rest of the 2020 season, since it kind of got effed from Corona. So, what's up, dude?
How's it going?
What's up, Lucas?
Oh, you know.
Next step is just to whack these little things off, and then I'm gonna take a grinder and grind them down because it's hard to get these pliers close. They're kind of stout, so you gotta get some hefty pliers to cut them.
Come on, fly.
That'll take your eyeball out. I'm just gonna take a grinder and hit on these and then replace this gasket and we'll be good to go. Jesus Christ! One of them goddamn Beyblade things. Yeah, so that thing just took off. Fucking ninja stars. Probably because I didn't have a thick blade, so I just put 2 of them together, and it didn't tighten down. I guess good enough. Wow. So I just kind of cleaned up the rest of them. And then while we're here, since I got this off, it comes with this like plastic welding rod and this little attachment. So I'm just gonna go at it with this thing and show y'all how it works. Oh no. Did I cut it or can I?
I think it is, but
Installing some filler wire. This is literally the best tool I ever bought. I love it. I'm trying to break all this shit on my car just so I can fix it. You need to let this thing cool for a while because it stays hot for a long time. Alright, so I replaced the focus. Okay, so I replaced the gasket. You really can't. It's perfect. I'm gonna end today's video here, and Duke's gonna do a burnout for us.
burnout?
Huh? Burnout? Yeah, end the video with a burnout.
Alright.
That was very easy. Huh?
I'm just gonna go do it right now.
Hot boy shit right here, you heard? Dude's having trouble putting the steering wheel on. Oh, you stalled it. You stalled. Alright, that was good. We'll end it that way.
Yes, sir.
Peace out. Until next time, probably gonna be in Alabama, but maybe not. We'll see.